Oh, hello, Vari Singh. How are you doing today?
I am managing for now, Happy Singh.
What's the reason for such a cold response, Vari Singh?
A lot of things, Happy Singh. There's a lot happening.
Explain your biggest worry, my friend, and I might be able to help.
I am worried about the increasing price of everything. Be it education fees, utility bills, medical expenses or day-to-day expenses. Inflation is on the rise and the interest rates are going down. How will I be able to answer my clients and guide them towards a secure financial future if all their incomes goes towards maintaining daily needs?
Oh, don't worry, Vari Singh. Happy Singh has a solution for every problem. What if you can get a life cover and also generate an additional source of regular income as well as a lump sum amount that helps you secure your future financial goals?
Is that possible? Tell me more about it.
Of course, it is possible with Future Generali Money Back Super Plan. This plan will act as a financial shield throughout your policy term. This is a life insurance product that will offer financial protection to your family even in your absence. The plan gives yearly payouts that work as your additional income as well as gives a guaranteed lump sum payout at the end of the policy term so that you can achieve your bigger financial goals. The best part about this plan is that even if interest rates keep fluctuating, the payouts in this plan are guaranteed and will not fluctuate. And I'm sure you have heard of the tax benefits under Section 80C and 1010D. Well, this plan provides you the opportunity to avail tax benefits on the premiums you pay and benefits you receive. In short, this plan is a one-stop solution for your future financial problems.
Wow, this plan sounds interesting. But I have one concern. Will I be able to choose the plan option according to my family needs?
Vari Singh, you will be happy to know that this plan comes with 2 options and 3 categories in each option. Thus, you have a total of 6 combinations to choose from.
Wow, 6 combination. That is amazing. Please help me understand more about this plan and its benefits.
Sure, Vari Singh, this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating, without profits savings plan, which means that this plan is not linked to market and this has guaranteed benefits defined when you apply for the policy. The entry age allowed is as early as 0 days. The benefits of this plan are flexibility to choose from 2 plan options, that is option 1 and option 2. The difference between option 1 and option 2 is the amount of survival benefit and maturity benefit that one receives during the policy term and on the maturity of the policy. It can be more money back during the policy term or more lump sum at the end of the policy term. Under option 1, you get a reasonable regular income and a notable lump sum amount at the end of the policy term, while under option 2, you get a notable regular income and a reasonable lump sum amount at the end of the policy term. Second, the plan offers survival benefits. Under both these options, there are 3 categories named Platinum, Gold and Silver. You can choose the duration of money back income or survival benefits basis your need from the below mentioned categories. Under Platinum category, the survival benefit is paid annually from the end of the 6th year, except the last policy year. Under Gold category, the same is paid annually from the end of the 8th year, except the last policy year. And under the Silver category, the survival benefit is paid annually from end of the 10th year, except the last policy year. To help you understand this benefit better, let us take an example of the Silver category under both options. For example, for option 1, Silver, the survival benefit is 11% of sum assured. For option 2, Silver, the survival benefit is 30% of sum assured. This survival benefit will be paid annually starting from the end of the 10th year, except in the last policy year. And for Gold and Platinum category, the percentage of survival benefits and its disbursement will vary based on the plan option chosen. Third, not only this, but the policyholder will also get the benefit of guaranteed additions, which is a percentage of the sum assured and will be accrued starting from the end of the 8th policy year till the end of the policy term, thereby adding to the corpus. Number 4, you get a maturity benefit amount on maturity to make your dreams come true and fulfill your financial goals. Fifth, and just in case the policyholder is in need of money, this policy will also offer him the option to avail a loan. Number 6, lastly, you are eligible for tax benefits. When you pay your premium, you are eligible for tax benefit under Section 80C and the benefits received will receive tax benefits under Section 1010D.
Wow, that sounds impressive. Can you help me understand it better with an example?
Sure, Vari Singh. Let me help you with an example of how Silver category works under option 1. Let us assume that the policyholder is a 30-year-old healthy individual. He decides to choose option 1 in silver category and chooses to pay an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh per year. He chooses the policy term of 20 years. The sum assured is a multiple of annualized premium. Hence, his sum assured in this case would be rupees 10 lakh. As a part of the benefits, he would start receiving survival benefits of rupees 1,10,000 from the end of the 10th year for next 10 years. Also, the guaranteed addition of rupees 74,529 will start accruing from the end of the 8th policy year onwards. On maturity, he will get a lump sum maturity amount, that is the sum assured plus the accrued guaranteed additions of rupees 19,68,877. Hence, you see, the total premium paid is rupees 20 lakh and total benefits received will be rupees 30,68,877.
Okay, great. Would you also explain me option 2 so that I understand the difference?
Yes, Vari Singh, right away. Suppose the policyholder is a 30-year-old healthy male and decides to choose option 2 in silver category by paying an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh for a period of 20 years. Now the sum assured is a multiple of annualized premium. Hence, his sum assured in this case would be rupees 6 lakh. As a part of the benefits, he would start receiving survival benefits of rupees 1,80,000 from the end of 10th year for next 10 years. Also, the guaranteed addition of rupees 28,363 will start accruing from end of the 8th policy year onwards. On maturity, he will get a lump sum maturity amount, that is the sum assured plus the accrued guaranteed additions of rupees 9,68,719. Hence, the total premium paid is rupees 20 lakh and total benefits received will be rupees 27,68,719.
This plan is amazing. I would also like to understand the death benefit. Would you tell me the same, Happy Singh?
Oh, sure, Vari Singh. In case of an unfortunate demise of the life assured during the policy term, the life assured's nominee or beneficiary shall receive the death benefit. The death benefit under all options and all categories shall be higher of the following. Number 1, 105% of total premiums paid as on date of death. Number 2, sum assured on death, that is 10 times of annualized premium plus accrued guaranteed additions. If any, the policy will terminate on payment of entire death benefit under both the options. Continuing from our previous example of a 30-year-old healthy male who had opted for option 1 in silver category, his annual premium is rupees 1 lakh and he chooses the policy term and premium payment term of 20 years and his sum assured is rupees 10 lakh. In case of his unfortunate death in the 12th policy year, his nominee or beneficiary will get rupees 13,72,645. Similarly, for above scenario, in case of option 2, silver category, his sum assured will be rupees 6 lakh. He pays an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh for a policy term and premium payment term of 20 years. In case of his unfortunate death, in the 12th policy year, his nominee or beneficiary will get rupees 12,60,000. So the policyholder will be taking a wise decision by buying this insurance as it will let him plan his life well and enjoy guaranteed returns to enjoy the big moments in his life.
Wow, this plan is exactly what I am looking for. I am sure that it will meet my needs and my clients' needs too.
Right, Vari Singh, you got the true essence of enjoying the big moments in life with Future Generali Money Back Super Plan.
Thank you, Happy Singh.